guys, hope you guys are having an amazing day. I found a slime when I buy it. It's just complete normal, but it makes weird noises. So this is how the story begins. So I bought the slime and I just play it normally. I just get the slime out from this box. I put half of them out and then I start playing with it like normal. That's how you play with slime, I guess. And then I don't want to put it back just in case it got dirty or dropped on the floor and it got all these yucky stains on it, or even that that it stick on the ruining the other bit of slime. I don't want that. So I got this and I empty an Play-Doh box and then I got the slime. I put it in. Because sometimes my parents don't allow me to play at my hands just in case I fall on the ground and then on the mattress and they will stick on the mattress real hardly. But listen to this. This is how the story's, this is when it gets crazy. Since I put this out, I put this in here and then I squeeze in like nothing and then sounds like just farts. And then I just like so that's kind of like yucky noises, but look, so when you hold it in your hand, it doesn't make any sound. Well, if you put it like this, you put it one hand in, the next one, yuck. I guess I'll call this a farting slime, so here, let me get a close look on it from this. You can see, right? Just put it out like normal. You put it in. And then, yuck, like, my God, man. But this thing feels fun. I can go out and do pranks to people and just like walk past them and then just do this. Get ready and I mean, that will be a bit rude probably, but we'll see. But this thing is pretty fun, I guess, what it can do. That's how the story ends. So I found out it isn't a slime making noise. It's when you push it in, it got air in it. So I think it goes into the slime or something. So it makes fart noises. It can't just be the slime, or you see? See? It doesn't make noise. And later I found out that there's nothing wrong with the slime. I even check out like this, see if there's any of these fart, like these noises that you squeeze and go like, so there isn't. I have gone through like this. I just touch all the places. It can't be that little, So I just put it back in, and then whenever I just put it back in, you just got these sounds, but you hear that? Like, that makes me sick, kinda. But I know, see, it's pretty nice, nothing wrong with it. It looks like lime, but whatever. Yuck. There's a missing. Put it back on, and it doesn't make any more noise. So that's the whole video, I guess. I mean, about a farting slime, which is unusual, really, because I have never had one in my life. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Remember to click the subscribe button for more videos, and leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Oh, bye-bye.